What's up, everybody? Mills Racing here today. We're gonna be playing some more Demolition Derby 3, and we're gonna be trying to win some money and get a more controllable car. Well, I guess we could start off. This one has great handling, decent speed. Durability sucks, but hey, we could work for that. Let's jump in and try and win us a car. Oh, yeah. Oops. Well, I was gonna do a crazy 8, but whoa! This works too. Hey, at least the boost is much more efficient now. Someone's somehow upside down, everyone's dying. Well, I guess we're gonna be racing on this track today, so something new for the channel. I'm just flying past these guys. Who cares about them, right? How are the AI wrecking? It's an oval. I've been playing too much NASCAR. I've been playing too many NASCAR games. I've been racing on Bristol too much. Okay. I think I'm lapping these people, because... Well, that would make sense, because half these people are riding the wall, so... Yeah. Right. Oh, excuse me, Andy. You're gonna block me? You're a lapped car. Excuse me. White flag. We are going to do it. If I don't wreck, please. I don't even know who is behind me. Like, is there anybody not allowed? I'm gonna launch it. Go! Yes. Launching it across the line. Okay, I won 3,450. Let's do it again. That was a much quicker race. Well, duh. Really? Really, Mills? That was a... Of course, that was a, much faster race because it's an oval. And there's not as many turns besides it's shaped like Bristol. And I just... Oh. Oh. What is happening all around me? There is just absolute chaos. People are still riding the wall. I'm just gonna wall ride past everyone. Chastain it. There we go. Dude, 130? That's crazy speeds. Oh, no wonder I can't control it. Chastain it! Chastain wall ride! Oh my goodness. I actually did it. And then I followed up with that. I am not turning whatsoever. I am not turning. It's doing that. It's literally just doing that. So, is Chastaining it faster? The Hail Melon? The Hail Where's My Entire Car? Okay. You're doing barrel rolls, that's fine. Yeah. This works. 150. I wasn't getting that much speed, I don't think. Also can't say because I wasn't paying attention. Because you... Yes. 40,000. Well, that's gonna be a lot of episodes that I can do. well, this is our goal. And if you guys enjoyed, you know what to do. Hit those like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you guys next time.